Hold on to your seats, tech enthusiasts, because OnePlus and BLE are about to drop a bombshell. Brace yourselves for a groundbreaking display reveal that will set your gadgets on fire. Drumroll, please. On October 24, 2023, in the vibrant city of Chongqing, China, OnePlus and BOE will lift the curtain on a display destined to redefine mobile excellence. Just in case you're not feeling the electricity in the air, let us amp up the excitement for you. OnePlus boldly declares, Sunrise East, in 30 years we have gone from lagging behind to catching up to surpassing. History is about to be made, and you're invited to witness the spectacle. Imagine the thrill of being part of a historic moment for Chinese screens. It's like a tech roller coaster, and you've got a front row ticket. Now, we've got some juicy details from the rumor mill. Digital Chat Station spills the beans, hinting at a display with a mind-blowing 2K resolution and a dazzling brightness of 3,000 nits. That's not all. BOE is cooking up another masterpiece with 3,000 nits and a 1.5K resolution. Hold your gasps, folks. These displays are set to rock your world with 2,160 Hz PWM dimming and single-pulse DC magic. But wait, there's more. OnePlus just threw down the gauntlet with the OnePlus Open, a foldable marvel boasting a peak brightness of 2,800 nits. Newsflash: no other mobile display comes close. Yet the gossip mongers say OnePlus and BOE are gearing up to break their own record with the upcoming display. Rumor has it, this display extravaganza is destined for the OnePlus 12, gearing up for launch in the next few months. Picture this, the OnePlus 12's display outshining the competition, with a brightness that puts the Galaxy S24 to shame. It's a display showdown, and OnePlus is on the verge of snatching the crown for the brightest screen in town. But here's a word of caution from the wise: paper promises might not always translate to real-world glory. As we've learned from GS Marina, numbers on paper don't guarantee a dazzling show in real life. So while the OnePlus and BOE collaboration might claim a hopping 3,000 nits, the proof, as they say, is in the pudding. Buckle up, folks. The display revolution is about to hit, and it's going to be one wild ride.
Hold me close.